Good day, great viewers. This is your tutor, Sir AI Pedro, the educator. So today, we want to look at this problem on projectile. As you can see from the board, the question says a missile is projected with a velocity of 250 meters per second at an angle of theta to the vertical. If the time of flight of the missile is 25 seconds, the value of theta is, so these are the options. So looking at the question, the first thing you do is to sketch a diagram for it. Solution, sketch a diagram, right? Let's take a little diagram. So it has a complete time of flight, so it's complete. So you have the velocity was projected with a 250 meter per second. Yeah, so this is the angle to the vertical, theta. All right, time of flight. All right, so this is the sketch of the diagram. So we are asked to find the value of theta. All right, so if you quickly, time of flight is 2u sine theta all over g. So this is the time of flight, the total time of flight. All right, so if you substitute directly these values using this theta as the value, and you solve, let's see quickly, time of flight 25, 2 times 250 sine theta all over 10. Value for g is 10. Okay, so this go with this, so we can quickly have, if we cross multiply that, sine theta is equal to 25 over 50. All right, 2 times 25 is 50. So this is simply that theta is simply sine inverse over 1 over 2. That gives you theta to be what? 30 degree. All right, so if you look at this like this, the option is already there, 30. But if you accept this as your answer, you are totally wrong or absolutely wrong. All right, because if you look at the value from the diagram, look at where the theta is, and if you are calculating, this is supposed to be the value you are looking for. So for us to get the real value which they asked us to look for, is simply, let's call here, all right, the theta we are looking for, the angle is equal to 90, the total minus what? 30 degree, which will be what? 60. So this is the right answer to the question. So 60 is the right option. Okay, because you see they say to the vertical, and when you are calculating, the angle must be to what? To the horizontal, right? Because the time of flight moves straight. So when you are calculating, the angle is to what? The horizontal. So when you have calculated this, don't be tempted to pick an option, all right? Because this is to the vertical. So to the horizontal, use 90 total angle there minus 30, your calculated value, to give you 60 degree. And if you don't want to go this way, you can simply change this sine theta to cos theta, because 90 minus this will give us cos. All right, so give cos theta, which if you solve quickly would have been time of flight here equals to 2u cos what? Theta all over g. All right, because you are dealing to the horizontal, to the vertical is sine, to the horizontal is cos theta. So we should give you that t, which is 20 what? 25 equals to 2u was what? 2 times what? 250 cos what? Theta all over, what would be 10? This will go with this, right? So we have that cos theta is equals to 25 over 50. 2 times 5, 25, 50. So this will give us equal to what? Half. All right. So theta, the cos inverse of a half is what? Theta equals to 60 degrees. All right. So this is the right option. All right. Do well to follow us for more tips on how to solve questions on projectile. All right. We are live every day. We are online every day. Join our program and you will not regret it. Thank you.